Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We back with another one. Sanduk firstly for Ipotia Hotel in Midrand. They welcomed us kamnandi bafethu. We managed to see our legends. Like you, it was a great experience for me and the team. Spencer, Jack, Lana, part of the team at
Yes,
Ipotia Hotel. I'd like to thank you again for the opportunity to see Payona. And I'd like to ask you, Guti, when people and the Pagania fans want to reach you guys, on my social media pages, where can they find you guys?
100%. Like you said, Kamala Muchek. Shout out to Paris. Thank you guys for coming through. The
Yes.
game was great. He won, but this is our team. So welcome to Protea Hotel. We are new creative agency,
Okay.
and we handle the eventing here at the hotel. So Protea Hotel every Thursday, every Friday, and whenever we have special guests like the team, Zaki Pasimnandi. What I'd like to say is, look, we look forward to working with you guys a bit more.
Yeah.
We look forward to hosting you guys again. Gumnandi la nebona shy vibe, shy number, good food, good drinks. So you're welcome to join us. And on social media, we are on Protea Hotel by Marriott Midrand. So ngakhohlwa Protea Hotel Sibapaya.
Okay.
So for this particular one, it's Midrand.
Yes.
Right? So Midrand, you follow us there. And then for the social media that handles the eventing like Kaya, you will find us at Weekend Hangout. Across all social medias, Weekend Hangout, Protea Hotel by Marriott, Midrand, Zostolada Showcase.
Niyazwa Mapagania, follow one lapo. So
Definitely.
overall about this derby, what do you think the event? Ucabanga ukuthi event ihambe kamnandi kanjani?
I mean, the event went really well. I was very surprised to meet the legends.
Yeah.
I mean, Sonkas Kulesbugeli Bola, Kulesbugeli Pagania. So I really was touched to meet the gents. It was something special. The speeches as well. I mean, to hear what they think of the game still to this day, the analysis, the experience, you hear all of that in their voices. So that was amazing. And in terms of the derby, I mean, manja sazi man. We're looking at Sundowns. Asazi ama-Sundown abazosiphatha kanjani, but hopefully someone else can take it. I mean, 9 times bafita admin kancane.
Abame kancane.
Admin kancane yo.
Namapagania into engicela yona ngiyazi ukuthi you are supportive nina bafethu. Protea Hotel eMidrand is the
Showcase.
place to come.
Yes,
Siyabonga.
we got you. Sharp.
Bopa.
Bopa.
Uncle.